So I went very far this last, call it week and a half, to get a bunch of fragrances and a whole series of fragrances that I want to introduce to you, but later on I'll introduce the other three brothers of this fragrance. Now, the fragrance that I'm going to introduce to you has got a bit of a story to it. Now, it's the fragrances from Emper. Very nice fragrances. I did do some great reviews on their products as well, but the one that's very popular is the Intimation for Emper. Now, they all know it's a LV Imagination dupe, and it's just marvelous. It just smells brilliant, smells well. It's fresh, soapy, fruity, beautiful fragrance. Now, the fragrance that I want to introduce to you comes with a bit of a story. Now, Emper was in a bit of trouble with LV, and they had to change their bottling, which is actually very sad. And they did that, and then they introduced the Downtown series, and it is called, and it looks like this. Now, this is the Ocean, called Ocean from Emper, which is a Downtown series. Now, guys, I don't have an unboxing of these because I couldn't find new fragrances or new box fragrances from Emper Downtown Ocean. But I did manage to buy all four of them, and it was all for testers. Now, I actually searched very far for these fragrances, and I was very disappointed when the company told me the next day that they don't have stock. So I actually jumped on my high horse and I asked them to check if they don't have the testers. So I was lucky enough to find the testers. Now, Downtown Emper, or Downtown Ocean by Emper, it's the same smell that we all came to love. Let me just do a nice test on these two. And then let's just see. This is the Intimation. And this is Emper. And Emper is a bit better now. Much better, Randolph. There's no... Look, Intimation is on itself, it's a beautiful fragrance. But it's got that bit of an after note of... let's call it musky, clayish type of smell. But with the Downtown Ocean, it rounds off and you don't get that smell in it. So luckily, with the new bottling, it came out with a bit of improvements as well. So guys, I've got the other three that I would also like to review to you in the future. But for now, this is Downtown Ocean by Emper. Beautiful, lovely smell, not expensive. But yeah, if you've got this bottle, hold on to it. You're not going to get it in the future.